So this is part one of how to build a business as an affiliate marketer slash digital marketer or digital marketing. So first of all, what is an affiliate marketer and what is digital marketing, right? So first of all, digital marketing is a broad term. Digital marketing just means you are promoting or using electronic sources to promote products, whether it be social media, email campaigns, blogs. So digital marketing is a broad term, and as a digital marketer, you are using those types of resources to promote. An affiliate marketer does fall under digital marketing, and you really are a digital marketer, but as an affiliate marketer, you are partnering with a company or business to promote their products. So as an affiliate marketer, you don't have to create a product or have a product of your own. You are promoting other people's products. So it's more like you're a middleman, right? And the way you're promoting these products is via a link. So when someone clicks that link and purchases the product you're promoting, you get a commission or like a reward. So really, as an affiliate marketer or affiliate marketing is really the least expensive, most beginner-friendly way to start a business online, because you're not dealing with any type of product you have to create. You're not dealing with inventory or shipping or packing or dealing with customer service. So now that you know what an affiliate marketer slash digital marketer does, the next step is to actually sign up for an affiliate program and find a product that you can promote.